Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger, and if you need to find a relay for the fuel pump, stay with us, we'll explain where it's located. You may have up to 2 relays that you need to check. We'll explain how to test them, and if your fuel pump still does not work or Dodge Charger does not start, we'll explain what else could be causing that. So make sure you stay tuned in. We'll share very helpful information that can save you quite a bit of time and money. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix practically almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, we take them completely apart. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. And Dodge Charger, we'll be taking it completely apart. Not to say a big word, but probably we'll have close to 500 free repair videos. If you need to buy any parts, tools, relays, fuses, anything for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. What we have specifically here, guys, this is a Dodge Charger with a 3.6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure is about the same. You have one fuse box right here for the engine, and you have 2 notches that you need to press in, open, and that's where the fuses and relays are. But if you pay attention, there is nothing that mentions fuel pump. So where is a fuel pump relay? It's actually in the trunk of your vehicle. Let's go ahead, open the trunk on that Dodge Charger, and we'll continue. So the trunk is open, we right here will pull that, and underneath you're going to have your spare tire, car battery, fuse box right here. That fuse box, you have one notch here that you press, pull, and if you flip it that way, you will see the fuse numbers and relays here as well. So now for the fuel pump, guys, you may have 2 different relays. If you have the 6.2 engine, you're going to have a relay number 28. That's the second relay right here, 1, 2, that relay right here. If you have another engine than the 3.2, you're going to have a fuel pump relay, which is known as number 72. And we're talking about that little bitty relay right here. So that relay is for your fuel pump, guys. Now, if you want to see how to test it, okay, we're gonna, let me get it out. We're going to put a link to a special video that will teach you guys how to test a relay. Check out the link in the description of the video below, and if you need to buy replacement ones, we'll put a link that will show you where you can get cheap relays from. Check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time. Now, oh, I forgot, if your Dodge Charger does not start still after you change the relay or test it and it's still not working, we have a special video that explains why Dodge Charger cranks but does not start. It's going to teach all about that, and you will know, okay, how to diagnose the problem. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.